Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a clean with me. I had my family over for dinner, so I'm just cleaning up. The kids were playing Legos on the table before they went to bed. So we are going to clean everything. We are going to clean the guest bathroom that everyone used just to make sure with the COVID we are being safe. So we are going to clean this house up. I made some sangria and there was some extra, so I'm going to start by cleaning everything up in the kitchen, getting all of the dishes done, and getting everything wiped down there.
Any questions still on your lips? I could taste a bit of heaven, 'cause it's true that the sugar isn't sweeter. Chase you down, I won't ever learn my lesson. You make me sick, but I can't seem to medicate it. 'Cause it's true that the grass ain't always greener on the other side. Walk away and I won't ask you any questions. Still on your lips, I could taste a bit of heaven, 'cause it's true that the sugar isn't sweeter.
So now I'm just putting these desserts in a little Tupperware container, and I'm going to wipe everything down with my favorite Thieves cleaner from Young Living. I use it for dusting, I use it for wiping down all the countertops, the appliances, everything. I really like it. I think it works really well and doesn't have any chemicals or anything like that, so I can allow my kids to clean with it. They love to clean the table after dinner, so that's like one of their chores. So we really enjoy using that, and when I use other things that have fragrance or anything in it, I instantly get a headache because I'm using this for a while now, and it's my favorite. So now once I can figure out what is stuck in the dishwasher, I think it was a long metal straw, I start the dishwasher, and I also use a chemical-free dishwash detergent. I ran out of my pods, but I usually use the 7th generation pods, so that is also my favorite. I don't like any chemical smells, especially when you open the dishwasher and you just get like punched in the face with that awful smell. So now I'm just shaking out the rug there and emptying the trash.
Nothing goes better than your friends together on a random Tuesday night. When your world is upside down, it'll always set you right. So pour it out, drink it up in a Waterford or a Dixie cup. Pour gold in this glass, 'cause that color red never looks so good. So good, down to the last drop. I'm not gonna stop, don't care if I should. It's a love affair that'll stand the test of time. women in white. Got a bottle saved, baby, and it's driving me crazy. I just wanna break it out. Get dressed up, catch us a buzz, and dance like we're downtown. Under city lights, drink it in, flying high and feelings in. Oh, gold in this glass, 'cause that color red never looks so good, so good. Down to the last drop, I'm not gonna stop. Don't care if I should, I should. You know two things only get better with time. Women in white. Ooh, it goes down so smooth. Ooh, it makes me want to pour gold in this glass, 'cause that color red never looks so good, so good. Let's pour gold in this glass, 'cause that color red never looks so good, so good. Down to the last drop, I'm not gonna stop. Don't care if I should, I should. You know two things only get better with time. They're the two things that are always right. Women in white. It goes down so smooth. Women in white. It goes down so smooth. Women in white.
Now that everything is tidied in the living room and wiped down, I am just going to do a quick vacuum, and then I am going to put away the blankets and the pillows and things like that, and then I am going to start on the bathroom. So in the bathroom, I'm not going to do a deep clean or anything. I'm just wiping everything down with the homemade bathroom cleaner that I have. I just let it sit on the sink and on the toilet for a few minutes while I get a couple other things wiped down and cleaned. And then I use the Clorox wand and the little pads that go onto them. That's the only real chemical thing that I use in the house. It doesn't have a strong smell, and that's my toilet is one area I'm not willing to sacrifice on, and I need to know that it's been disinfected, and just anything that really gets that yucky water rings. And we have really hard water here where I live, and so that's one thing that we really get rid of, those hard water stains and that ring around the toilet, because that drives me crazy. just going to do a quick vacuum in here, and I had the steam mop out because I did the kitchen floors too. I don't think I was recording when I steam mopped the kitchen floors, but I did the kitchen and the dining room and the living room with the steam mop. So I just came in here and did a quick steam mop of the floors in here as well to make sure everything was super clean and tidy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now that everything has been cleaned and wiped down in the house, I feel so much better, and it just sets me up for the week. This was on a Sunday, so it kind of sets me up for the week. Everything was nice and clean and tidy and put back together just from having guests over. You can see everything is neat and organized, and I love my vacuum lines on the rug. It's one of my favorite things about vacuuming, that rug, vacuum lines. So everything is neat and organized and put away. So if you guys like this kind of video and really found some motivation for it, I would love for you guys to give me a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button right down below and let me know what kind of video you'd like to see next. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.